everybody. I found the Front Range. I know you probably can't see it. I tried to zoom in a little bit so you could, but there are definitely silhouettes of the Rocky Mountains straight ahead. I am so excited. It's still this really just open prairie business that's fantastic. I actually just pulled off the highway and I found an open gate for this dirt road. So I went down there a bit and took a few pictures, and that was kind of fun. It was a fun adventure. I am probably about 50 miles from Denver. I should be there hopefully by about 3:15 or so. It's 2:30 right now. Yeah, so I am just so excited, so excited. Let's see if you can see these. There's a little bit better of a picture. All those white things are clouds, so don't be thinking that those are mountains.